Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here in the third line we have a button what's called disconnect. But before I tap on it, because we need to tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select disconnect and click on it, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but you leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds will totally removed from your phone. Now let me tap on it, and as you can see we just stop Bluetooth connection, we have no connection here, but we left it at the device list. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!